Hi Mike, Charlie Smith here. Just want to give you a quick tutorial on Apple CarPlay and how to use that. So what you're going to want to do is just be at the home screen main menu with that menu button. You get to this screen. I'm sure you've been there before. You can be really anywhere on this screen or anywhere in the MMI for that matter. But I've got my Apple cord plugged into port 1 and here is the cable. I'm going to plug it into my cell phone. Sorry about that, but it's plugged in. Now I get a screen that pops up automatically. It says, would you like to use CarPlay? A function of the iPod mini will be deactivated. We're going to hit activate CarPlay. Yes, I agree to use CarPlay. And it automatically loads. And it looks just like your screen. So it'll mirror your iPhone. It'll read your text messages to you and voicemail. And we can also use the factory Apple Maps. So there it is. That's how you use Apple CarPlay.